I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to cancel your Peacock subscription, follow these steps to make the process smooth and straightforward. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the s.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account. Step 3. Find subscription details. In the account section, look for the subscription or billing tab. This is where you can view your current subscription plan and payment details. Step 4. Initiate cancellation. Click on the Cancel Subscription link. You may be prompted to confirm your decision or provide feedback on why you are cancelling. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Follow the prompts to finalize the cancellation. Make sure to check for a confirmation email to ensure your subscription has been successfully cancelled. Remember, if you cancel before your billing cycle ends, you may still have access until the end of that period. Happy streaming!